Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Recently, Diamond Art Club have started to add trading cards to their diamond painting kits. Today, I want to talk about the cards, what they are, and what you can and cannot do with them. If you buy a new Diamond Art Club kit, you may find one of these cards in the box. These are new and they're still rolling them out, so you don't always get one, but that should change soon. That every full-sized diamond painting kit will have a card inside. You will find it underneath the canvas. So I received this one today. I did an unboxing and I found this card, so this is my very first one. But today I thought I would talk about what they are and what you can do with them. So this one was from Afternoon Hearth. So when you get the card, it will have the name of the kit that you found it in. This is a silver card. You can see the silver around the edges and a little diamond there at the top, and there's a little silver badge above the name. On the back we have Diamond Art Club trading cards. Now on the website they're called Treasure Quest cards. On the card they're called trading cards. And we have a little scratch off area here. So I thought I would go through the stuff on the website because I know a lot of people are interested in them. What are they? What can we do with them? What's the point of them? So I wanted to go through the website, and then we're getting information directly from Diamond Art Club. So the idea with the cards is step one, redeem. So you go to the website, you go to this page and you click on redeem. So if we get further up, you can see we've got redeem for all these. Now to actually redeem, to get these gift cards, you have to have, in the first one for $50, you have to have 5 bronze codes, 3 silver codes, 1 gold code, or 2 black codes. So if you get 2 black cards, you can redeem for $50. If you don't have the black cards, you need 5 bronze, 3 silver, 1 gold. For $75, you need 4 bronze, 4 silver, 2 gold, 3 black. $100, 4 bronze, 5 silver, 3 gold, or 4 black. And the top one, $200, 3 bronze, 6 silver, 4 gold, or 5 black. So that is the most that you could redeem, is $200, but there is a better one than that, and that is a custom kit. So you can get a custom kit from Diamond Art Club. You send in a picture, they render it, and it is unique because Diamond Art Club do not do custom kits, only for this. So the value is $400 and it can be any size and shape. So size and shape of your choice. To get this, you need to collect 2 bronze, 6 silver, 6 gold, or 6 black. So if you are lucky enough to get 6 black cards, you only get 1 card in each kit though. So that would be if you were very lucky and bought 6 kits and had a black card in each one, you could get in touch with Diamond Art Club and order a custom kit. So if we go further down, here are the frequently asked questions. And I thought it was easier just to do this all in a video, so people can just watch the video. They don't need to try and find it on the website or anything, and they can just go through. Hopefully it answers all of the questions, but we'll see. So the first one is, what are Treasure Quest cards? So we'll click on that. Print is probably a bit small, so I'll read it. Treasure Quest cards are a fun bonus included with your purchase, adding an extra layer of excitement like finding a prize in a cereal box. Each card has a different level of rarity, making them collectible. Additionally, these cards can be redeemed for gift cards and other rewards, such as custom paintings and cover minders that will soon be added. So, cover minders are going to be a prize as well, if you choose to participate in the program. So, next one, what do the different levels of cards mean? There are 4 levels of Treasure Quest cards: bronze, silver, gold and black. Bronze cards are the most common, while black cards are the rarest. A card's value generally correlates with the size and cost of the kit. Larger and more expensive kits have a higher chance of including a high value card, while smaller and less expensive kits have a lower chance. Next, how does the Treasure Quest work? To claim a reward, you need a specific combination of cards. Bronze, silver and gold cards work together to unlock a Treasure Quest reward. Black cards are the rarest and most valuable, and they can only be used in combination with other black cards. So there is no combination that will include a black card. So it won't be like you need 3 bronze, 2 silver, 1 gold and 1 black. The black one is unique. Next, which products include a Treasure Quest card? Only our core canvas kits include Treasure Quest cards. Products like mini dazzles, framables, sparkle pals and others do not come with these cards. So basically it has to be a diamond painting kit. A full-sized diamond painting kit, not the small kits. Next, am I guaranteed to receive a Treasure Quest card in the canvas kits I purchase? Canvas kits produced before July 1st, 2024 may not include a Treasure Quest card. Please note that there could be a difference between the time you place your order and the actual production date of the canvas. Canvas kits produced after July 1st, 2024 are more likely to include a Treasure Quest card, but this is not guaranteed due to some licensing agreements. So it could be, even though you've ordered after the 1st of July, it could be that the kits were already made before then, so they would not include a card. So they have to be made after the 1st of July, and then you should get one. Next one, what if my kit is missing a Treasure Quest card or it's damaged? Unfortunately, we cannot replace or provide new Treasure Quest cards if they are missing or damaged. So if it gets damaged, which is highly unlikely because of the way they pack the diamond paintings now, the canvas is basically sitting inside 3 boxes. So the chances of the card being damaged are very slim. It lays on the bottom of the box with the canvas on top of it, so I think it would be very, very difficult to actually damage it. Can I request or purchase cards for kits I've previously bought? Due to logistical reasons, we cannot offer this service, so they can't send you cards for kits that you've already bought. Next one. Can gift cards won through Treasure Quest be stacked with other rewards or discount codes? Yes. Treasure Quest gift cards can be stacked with other discount codes, rewards and even other gift cards. Which means if you're using a code to get, say, a 10% discount or a 20% discount, that will be added to the value of the card. That's how I read that. So a lot of times you see things where they have, it's either or, you can either use this or use this, but with these you can actually stack another reward on top, which is really good. Do Treasure Quest cards have an expiration date? Currently, Treasure Quest cards do not have an expiration date. However, this could change in the future. If an expiration date is implemented, we will announce it publicly via email and social media, providing a 90-day period to redeem cards produced before the specified date. So at the moment, they don't expire. That may change, but they will give a 90-day notice, so you have time to use whatever you have before they expire. Next is, will the combinations required to win each treasure quest reward always stay the same? While the combinations needed to unlock each reward are unlikely to change, we cannot guarantee they will remain the same indefinitely, so they may change at some point in the future. Can I trade my cards with others? Absolutely. Trading cards is part of the fun. You can trade them in the official Diamond Art Club sponsored Facebook group for treasure quest cards. Additionally, the codes on the back of the cards can be transferred to someone else, so they don't have to be redeemed by the person who purchased the kit. So you can trade the code on the back of the card with other people who may be looking for that card. Like say they're looking for another silver and you happen to have a silver, you've got a code, you can trade with them. Maybe you're looking for a bronze or a gold and you can work that sort of thing. Can I reuse the card more than once? Once a code is used to claim a treasure quest reward, it cannot be reused. So if you've got a card and you've used the code, you can't trade that code to anybody else, because once it's been used, it's on their database, they know it's been used, it can't be used again. Last one, I have a question or suggestion not covered here. How can I get in touch? We love to hear from you. Please send any questions or suggestions via email to support@diamondartclub.com and someone will get back to you as soon as possible. If we receive questions that could benefit others, we'll update this FAQ accordingly. And that seems to be it. So hopefully it's made things a bit clearer. So again, these are the rewards that you can get: $50, $75, $100, $200, or the custom kit if you are very, very lucky, and you get 6 black cards. If not, if you have 2 bronze, 6 silver and 6 gold, you can get in touch with Diamond Art Club and order a custom kit. These are very, very rare. As I said, Diamond Art Club do not do customs, so they will take your picture, their professionals will render it to Diamond Art Club standards, and you will have a very, very unique diamond painting. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So step 1 is redeem. Click redeem on the desired reward, enter the codes from the back of your trading cards, confirm your codes and claim your reward. So 3 simple steps. The other thing I wanted to mention is on the cards themselves, oops, upside down, it doesn't actually say like this is bronze or this is silver or this is gold. So there's nothing that says that. So it can be a bit confusing knowing exactly which card you've got, but there is a way to do it, which I'll find in a minute. So these are the cards. We'll start with bronze, and the way, to me anyway, the way that's the easiest to tell the difference is if you look at the back and look at the design. So bronze cards have this pretty basic thick lined design. Silver cards a little bit more complicated. So this is a silver, if I can get it, you can see the pattern is the same. So this is a silver card. The gold card is very intricate, the design in the background, very, very fine detail, and then obviously the black card is black, so very easy to tell if you've got a black card. But for me, that is the easiest way to do it. Look at the back of your card. If it's a very simple, thick lined graphic, it is bronze. More detailed is silver. very detailed is gold, and then obviously black is black, or 310. So that is it. As I said, I just thought I would do this because I know a lot of people are asking questions, and I thought it might be easier just to sit and watch a video, and then you've got a better idea exactly what the cards are all about, what you can get, what you can do, what you can't do, and that's it. So, Diamond Art Club trading cards. So now we have a better idea of what you can do with them, how much you can get. And I think the big news is you could actually get a custom diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. I cannot wait to see the first person who gets one and what they choose to get done and what it looks like, because Diamond Art Club have extremely high standards when it comes to their kits, and to see a custom that they have spent time on, I think is going to be very interesting. So that's it for today. If you are interested in seeing more unboxings, unbaggings, accessories, pretty much anything to do with diamond painting, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you may catch me live on YouTube Live. I do random lives. I don't have set days or times. It's just when I can fit them in. You can drop in, you can see what I'm working on, and we can have a bit of a chat. We can talk about diamond painting, or we can talk about the weather. We can talk about pretty much anything. I am always interested in meeting other diamond painters around the world, learning a bit about them, where they live, and just general shooting the breeze. I am originally from Scotland, and I moved to Copenhagen, the capital city of Denmark, and I've been living here for 12 years now. So I'm interested in learning a bit about where people are in the world. So if you're interested, please drop in and remember to say hi. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.